I'm making $3,600 in passive recurring income. And in this video, I'm going to break down exactly how I'm actually doing it. And more importantly, how you can copy and paste the exact system for yourself. And I'm not talking about crypto, NFT, dropshipping, or any of that stuff. I'm talking about legit online business that will generate passive recurring income for you. Hey, what's up everyone? My name is Munib Muhammad, and on this channel, I help people start their first or next online business. If this is something you are interested in, then consider subscribing to this channel and turn on the notification, because I'll be coming up with some amazing, legit strategies to build your business that you don't want to miss out. I promise you. Because after going through the endless process of hard work, I think now I have figured out a way to become financially free. Because I came to US from India in 2014 with just $500 in my pocket. And in the beginning few years, I did multiple jobs on minimum wages, and I struggled a lot just to support my family and to pay my monthly bills. That was the worst phase of my life. I was stuck in a loop of working 15, 16 hours just to pay my school fee and other monthly expenses. I was broke and I felt weak because I didn't expect my life to be like this when I was young. I wanted to make good money and to support my family, to support my community. I need financial and time freedom. Then I realized the only way to achieve all those things is by starting my own business. Because while doing a job, no matter how much I worked hard, I was broke and I did not have any time to do anything in my life. If you're in the same situation where you're working hard to pay the bills and you cannot give your time to your family and friends, just comment below. I would just love to help you out, because I was exactly in the same situation like you a few years ago. And this is why I created this channel, to help people get financial freedom. So if you haven't subscribed to this channel, do it now and give me a like, show me some love, and share it with your friends who wants to start an online business too. All right. So I'll be honest with you, the strategies that I'm about to show you is perfect for the beginners, because you don't need a ton of capital to start. You don't need $10,000, $15,000 to create a product, then deal with customer support, shipping and handling, or even getting an office space and hiring employees. It's a very hectic process. Trust me, especially when you're starting out. Because I've done that. Before this business, I used to buy and sell used cars from Craigslist. It was a good business, but you'll be dealing with too many scammers. And there's a lot of hard work with not that good returns. Plus, the used cars can go bad. It can have mechanical issues. The value of the car keeps changing, and you're not gonna make good profit most of the time. And this is why I got into affiliate marketing, meaning selling other people's products and services. Here, you don't need a product of your own to start a business. And once you set up a marketing system, this automated marketing system will do all the selling for you while you're on a vacation. So what I like to do is I like to promote softwares, because the good thing with softwares is they give monthly recurring commissions. So you only need people to sign up from your affiliate for once. And as long as they use that software, you will keep getting that recurring commissions. So step one is to find a customer you want to serve. This is very important in your business, because what I see is most of the beginners targets everyone. But if you are targeting to everyone, then you're targeting to no one. And in this video, I've discussed about how to create your avatar. So watch that video after this. So what we want to do here is we want to look for people who are looking for a particular result. So in this case, let's say this is Mike and he wants to lose weight. So as an affiliate, your job is to create a bridge between him and his goal. You want to help him reach his goal, right? Now, instead of just pitching them the products, we will focus on showing them the result that our affiliate offer promises to deliver, right? Because people don't like to buy products. They buy results, solutions, and outcomes. Note that down. Because what I see on internet is most of the affiliate marketers are just hammering people with affiliate offers. You don't want to do that. Don't do what everyone else is doing in this industry if you want to make big money. Focus on building relationship by giving them the value. Now, the next thing you want to do is find a high quality product that you want to promote, because remember, at the end, it's the product that delivers the result, right? So our messages that we put out on internet will be talking about the result, not about the product. And once you build that relationship, then you recommend the products. Hopefully that makes sense to you. So this is my product selection criteria. Number one, the product should be high quality and it should have a good MRR. because this will help you generate passive income, right? And the easy way to do that is by promoting software. You can promote anything you want, but I personally like softwares because people use softwares in every niche. It is a requirement, and software has a good MRR. So in this case, we are helping Mike to lose weight, right? So what we want to do is we want to create an ecosystem, our home on the internet. And as we are sending out these messages talking about the result and outcome that our affiliate offer can deliver, this will grab Mike's attention and he will enter our home. And as soon as he enters, we will build relationship, we give him value, then later we recommend him the product and services he needs. And as we can have multiple products in our ecosystem. So if Mike is looking for weight loss, right? So in our ecosystem, we can have products that complements each other, which can be personal training. We can have supplements, right? We can have gym membership, right? And the last thing that you want to do is you want to create an ecosystem. And the way you want to do is by creating a simple landing page like this, right? Where you're just asking people to enter their email address. And the way you want to do is by giving them something for free. In this case, I'm giving them a free training. And building an email list is very important, because if you're not building your email list, you're not building your business, because data is everything. And as soon as they enter the email address and hit enter, they will enter my home, which is my membership site, where there are tons of modules in it where I'm building relationship. I'm giving a lot of value to them, right? Then later, if you see down here in the resources section, I'm recommending them the softwares. These are my affiliate softwares. I'm promoting ClickFunnels, GetResponse, ClickMagick, TubeBuddy, which works amazing together, that they are most likely to buy, right? So what I want to do for you here is, just because you're a beginner, I want to give this all to you for free. The training, membership site, the softwares and everything. You can replace my affiliate links with yours. All you have to do is click this button, take out my affiliate link and put it yours. So whenever anyone buys anything, you get to keep that commission, not me, right? All you have to do is send traffic to this page, right? And build your own email list. I'm going to show exactly how you can do that, right? But before that, to qualify how to promote this training and to get commissions to make money as soon as possible, I'll leave the link down in the description where you can go and register for this training. And once you get into the membership site, you will see here an option where you can book a call, right? So when you book a call with me, we can discuss how you can qualify to promote this training and how you can make money as soon as possible. Because this is super easy and super powerful for you, because you don't have to create the training. You don't have to create membership site. You don't have to write this copy. I took a lot of time to create copy, which is a high converting copy. And I created this training. It took hours for me to create this training. Believe it or not. If you're a beginner, it's not easy job for you, right? All you have to do is send traffic to this website, to this simple landing page, and make money, right? The link is in the description. Register your seat. I'll talk to you soon. Book a call with me. All right. I'll see you soon.